Hey everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Oppo Find X5, which I'm really excited to share with you as an official Oppo ambassador. So let's just get right started after the intro. Alright, and here we have it. So this is going to be my first unboxing of the brand new Oppo Find X5. So inside the box, we can already see we've got two really exciting things. One thing I already know, this is the phone. We'll be taking a look at that in a second, but the other is just absolutely amazing. Let's take a look closer at this. The MariSilicon X neural processing unit, and I really love the fact that they have included this as a special surprise for the ambassadors. Now this is the part I am so excited for. And wow, here we have it, the Oppo Find X5 in its box. We have one of the probably most stunning looking silver and black boxes engraved with the letter 5 on top. We see here Oppo Find X5 5G, which is really awesome. I love seeing 5G in phones. And on the side we can see here Oppo and Hasselblad, and this is super cool because Oppo has done a collaboration with Hasselblad to, of course, create the amazing camera system. So, without further ado, I think let's check out what's inside. So we are greeted with a small box. We have the phone itself in the most amazing black color. And going in deeper, we can find the SUPERVOOC charger, which has a 80-watt charging capability, and of course the USB Type-C cable. And last but not least, a USB-C to A adapter. Inside the little box, SIM eject tool, we have a card, premium service, very premium unboxing experience, documentation, and last but not least, a very premium looking case, which also follows the very nice design language of the Find X5. So without further ado, I think we should take a closer look at the Find X5. And wow, here we have it, the Oppo Find X5 in black. We have the most amazing design on the back with a very nice smooth touch back finish, and of course an amazing front and 120Hz screen. So I think without further ado, we have the phone unboxed, and I am in love with the back of this design. And I really love how subtle this design is with the camera bump, how it just blends in seamlessly into the phone. So I think without further ado, let's power it on and get this set up. That is stunning. That was a gorgeous startup animation. Hello. And wow, I have to say, this was the most delightful unboxing experience that I have ever had. I absolutely love the back, the soft touch finish of the Find X5. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed the unboxing as much as I have. I really loved every aspect of it. It includes a charger. It has the most delightful experience setting the phone up. And if you like my first impressions, then definitely be sure to subscribe for more videos. I'll be doing more content on the Find X5, following up with a review after I've tested the ins and outs. So stay tuned for that. And again, thanks so much Oppo for having me as part of the ambassador team. Be sure to check them out. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.